That moment of freedom, gaming anywhere, anytime. But which handheld do you trust in your backpack? The one that dies in an hour? The one that can't run the latest titles? Or the one that's just a compromised phone? The golden age of handhelds is here, but it's a battlefield. We took 20 systems on planes, trains, and park benches. We drained batteries, pushed performance, and judged comfort until our hands went numb. We found the overpriced, the underpowered, and the absolute legends. The countdown to your next adventure starts now. Starting at number 1. Nintendo Switch Lite Handheld Console. Best overall. The undisputed best handheld console is the Nintendo Switch and Nintendo Switch Lite. As we're recommending purely handheld and portable consoles, we've highlighted the Nintendo Switch Lite, but for many of the same reasons we love the original Nintendo Switch. With an incredible library of games ranging from Nintendo blockbusters to indie darlings, the Switch offers some of the best games on any gaming console, as well as a ton of all-ages titles that make it excellent for children. With fun colorways, an intuitive button layout, great battery life, expandable storage via microSD, and newly added Bluetooth audio connectivity, the Switch Lite is an all-around top-tier handheld gaming system, though do be aware that it can't be docked to play on a TV. Dedicated to portable play, the Nintendo Switch Lite system is lightweight, compact, and designed exclusively for handheld play. Enjoy a little me time wherever you happen to be, whether you're on the road or in your own backyard. Number 2. Nintendo Switch OLED Handheld Gaming Console. Best Nintendo Console. The Switch OLED was released at the end of 2021 and added some subtle but significant upgrades to the already stellar system. The biggest change is the screen. The Switch OLED features a much bigger, brighter, and more vivid 7-inch OLED panel. This improved screen makes the best Switch games even better. The Switch OLED also features more internal storage and an improved docking tray. Being able to take the Switch OLED on the go and plug it into a TV to enjoy at home makes it one of the most versatile options on our list. Play at home or on the go with a vibrant OLED screen. Play on your TV at home or pick up and play in handheld mode on a vivid 7-inch OLED screen with the Nintendo Switch OLED model system. The system also features 64 GB of internal storage, enhanced audio, a wide adjustable stand, and a dock with a wired LAN port. Number 3. Generic Valve Steam Deck Handheld. Best Game Library. Valve's Steam Deck offers a PC experience in a Switch-like form factor. Much like the Nintendo handheld, the Steam Deck features a horizontal layout, a central screen, left side and right side controls, and an HDMI docking station for big screen connectivity. But the Steam Deck features a faster CPU, GPU, and increased RAM when compared to basically any other handheld on the market. All that power comes in handy when browsing for Steam Deck games on the Steam storefront. Steam is one of the largest PC gaming storefronts available, with over 50,000 retro, modern and upcoming games available to download. Simply toggle the Deck Verified tag, and all the games you'll find work perfectly on the Steam Deck. Steam Deck has a user-friendly interface specifically designed for its gamepad controls. Its software and operating system are tailored for Steam Deck, making it the easiest way to get into PC gaming. Number 4. Apple iPad 10.2-inch Handheld Tablet. Most versatile. The iPad mini may be better suited for gaming, but Apple's classic iPad 10.2-inch is still the best option for most people. It's larger and more affordable than the iPad mini, and still offers many of the same killer features, such as the iOS operating system and Apple Arcade, Apple's $4.99 per month subscription service that's home to dozens of beloved, high-profile mobile games. The 10.2-inch screen, while a bit big in the hands while gaming, is amazing for doing everything else. Watching TV, browsing social media, and general browsing are better on the iPad than any other recommendation on our list. Number 5. Nintendo Switch 2. Start your next gaming adventure with the Nintendo Switch 2 system, packed with upgrades and fun ways to connect and play together. Discover Nintendo Switch 2. Your games will leap to life on the vivid, 7.9-inch 1080p screen that showcases the system's powerful processing and graphics performance. The updated dock also supports up to 4K resolution and frame rates up to 120 frames per second with compatible games and TVs. The reimagined Joy-Con 2 controllers snap into place with magnetic connectors, and each controller can even be used as a mouse in compatible games. Plus, you can still enjoy compatible games from your existing Nintendo Switch library. Connect with friends and family with Game Chat once Game Chat is set up, press the C button on your right Joy-Con 2 to start it up, a seamless way to voice chat with your friends, share your game screen, and connect via video chat with a compatible USB-C camera, sold separately. Nintendo Switch 2 also has a built-in microphone that filters out noise around you for a clear experience. It's like hanging out together, from wherever you are. Game Chat Open Access period until March 31st, 2026. Game Chat can be used without a Nintendo Switch Online membership. Afterwards, a Nintendo Switch Online membership will be required to use Game Chat. So, whether you're a cloud gaming pioneer, a retro emulation wizard, or just want to play Elden Ring on the go, one of these 5 systems is your ticket. The direct links to every handheld we tested, with our full battery life charts and where to find them in stock, are all in the video description below. If this guide helped you choose your portable powerhouse, shows some love, smash that like button, it keeps us traveling and testing. Share this with your gaming group chat. And for more honest, on-the-go tech reviews, subscribe and hit the bell. Your next game is waiting, anywhere. See you out there.